Medius Pay brings automation, efficiency, and significant financial returns to supplier payments, creating one unified payment process for all your payments. Regardless of method, we take care of handling your checks, ACH, card, and international supplier payments. Online approvals ensure all payments batches are properly reviewed with a comprehensive audit trail before being sent for execution, and Medius Pay helps focus the attention of approvers on high-risk payments by automatically highlighting them for inspection. Our risk factor alerts scan payments batches to identify possible errors or fraudulent payments, pushing these to the top of the review queue and clearly flagging them with an accompanying commentary that tells the approver what the potential risk is. Once fully approved, the payment file is sent automatically for execution, with each supplier paid by the most efficient method available. We take responsibility for making the payment, for migrating suppliers away from checks to digital payments, and for supporting suppliers through the payments process so you don't have to. And we top it all off with a guaranteed fixed dividend that delivers a predictable income back to your business based on our forecast for cost saving and credit card revenues. Which means for most customers that an investment in Medius Pay actually pays back far more than it costs.